There is life after being diagnosed with triple-negative breast cancer.
It's not the grim prognosis that a lot of people tend to find when they look on the internet.
Nowadays, breast cancer, it's not as scary as it used to be.
We did this for my daughter Cheryl. She was a very generous, giving, caring broadcast journalist who would do anything for anybody in need. When we started Triple Step Toward the Cure, it's with her in mind and reaching out to these women and hearing their stories during this time that they're going through this illness. Cheryl would have loved to have seen it.
Triple Step Toward the Cure is a group of 3 women who have the common experience of being personally affected by triple-negative breast cancer. I really struggled with what can I do that's really going to make a positive impact out of this negative experience. I ran into a wonderful woman by the name of Dr. Melinda Telley. She's a fantastic oncologist at Stanford University. I told her, hey, I just lost my sister and I really want to do something to help other women. She hooked us up with another young woman who was actually a triple-negative patient at the time. And lo and behold, Louisa Gloger had the same objective.
I was diagnosed with triple-negative breast cancer 4 years ago at the age of 31. I was obviously blindsided by the diagnosis and very afraid, very fearful. I have 3 small children now. I had one after finishing treatment, which is a miracle. I have been involved with Triple Step Toward the Cure since its founding. Lori and I came together through a doctor at Stanford, and with Lori and Carol, we founded Triple Step because we saw a need for an organization that was patient-focused and that raised awareness in communities that are at risk. When you're in it, it can feel really dark and really lonely and really challenging. I came from that and now I'm standing on the other side, so I can relate on lots of different levels.
Triple-negative breast cancer, it's a subtype of breast cancer. All women of any age and any ethnicity are potentially at risk. Patients who are young or who are of Hispanic or African American ancestry are certainly disproportionately affected. You know, most women who have a diagnosis of triple-negative breast cancer are going to do very well, and most women diagnosed with early forms of triple-negative breast cancer will survive their disease.
We really wanted to do something to impact other women who are going through this experience. Women need a lot of help while they're going through their day-to-day treatment process. A lot of them are unable to work, and so their needs range from assistance with groceries, transportation, childcare, your mortgage, your rent payments.
I would definitely recommend Triple Step. It's all about what do you need, what can we do for you? And just the fact that they were willing to assist us with the medical bills. And that's just really awesome.
I would highly recommend Triple Step to other individuals because you need that positive support. And that gave me strength to push on.
We try to do different things to promote education and awareness about triple-negative breast cancer, and that includes everything from doing speaking engagements to small groups, health fairs, attending conferences, and one of our favorite things to do is our annual Stepping Towards the Cure 5K event that we do twice a year. That really is a fun way to get the community together to come out and participate in some healthy fun, but it's a really good day to just get the community to rally around these women and to show them that, hey, there's, you know, you're not taking this walk alone. There's a whole community behind you. The women who are battling triple negative are so strong. Sometimes they don't even know it. They often, don't know how others are looking at them as being a source of inspiration.
As a survivor, this organization is so important because you find something that gives you hope, not something that instills fear.